Last week we learned how to mix the tertiary colors. Remember tertiary, I will write that here for you. The tertiary colors were these colors in between a primary and a secondary. For example, yellow-green, blue-green, blue-violet, red-violet, red-orange, and yellow-orange. What I want you to notice with the tertiary colors is you always name the primary color first. You never call it green-yellow. It's always yellow-green, yellow-orange. Just keep that in mind. Why it's important to know or to be familiar with the color wheel. Number one, you can learn how to mix colors. For example, if you want a blue-green, you can look at the color wheel and see, oh, I need to mix green and blue to make blue-green. But the color wheel also is set up in a way that shows you and tells you how colors work well together. Colors that work well together, there are different combinations, but they are all color schemes. We're going to learn about one color scheme today, and that is complementary colors. This may be review for some of us. Complementary colors are colors that are directly across from one another on the color wheel. No matter what color, if it's a primary, a secondary, a tertiary, they all have a complement. We're just going to look at the complements, the primary and secondary complements, and we're going to start here with red. Directly across the color wheel is green. So our first set of complementary colors are red and green. Second set, yellow and purple or violet. And then we have blue and orange. Complementary colors, because they're so far away from each other, they're going to create the most contrast. Let's put that word here. It will be high contrast. These colors are really going to pop next to one another. If you want to use red in your painting or your artwork, and you're not really sure what color would look good with it, my suggestion is try the complement. Play with it. See how you can interact and use them together. How can these two colors interact together?